Kia ora, welcome to my happy place. If you like today's video, please give me a thumbs up, leave a comment so I know that you've been. Don't be shy, and please enjoy.
Kia ora, welcome to Waste Some Time with Maggie. I've come on to do a page, I think it's page 8, because I didn't do one yesterday, in my junk journal July with Scrimpingmommy, Amanda, and I'm going to try and do 2 today, and they're going to be pretty quick, easy ones. I've got a background to put on my page here. So I'm just going to hopefully rip that down near as I can. There's another wet, bitter, horrible day today. No, we're going to have it like that. Don't need that there. And we'll just glue this down. And we just need a titch off the top. Bitterly cold, and I had to go out. It is Sunday here, and I couldn't believe the amount of people there was downtown. Right. No, not the greatest of confident drivers these days. I like it to be fine, not wet or dark. We managed, but I'm sure my blood pressure went up. And I'm supposed to be trying to get it down. But never mind. We made it. I didn't crash the car. I nearly ran into somebody. Somebody in a great big ute coming the wrong way in a one-way parking area. And of course my husband saying park here, and I had already in my mind where I was going, so he sort of got me a bit ups and down, and then this flipping great truck coming the wrong way in the rain. It was not a great day out. Right, like that. This is just a jelly print, and I think this one got sent to me by somebody. I'm not sure who. So right, I'm going to put that away. I didn't even tell you what I'm going to be doing today. All right, now I've lost my little. We're going to be doing a fold out. I printed off a page, and I have got some little rounds here. Right, now we're going to fold them. Excuse me, I'll just get my bone folder. Right, that's one, and try to get them even. 2. 3, and try not to do this one this way, I think. And oh, not very well in shot, am I? So sorry. And I thought this was quite good for a fold out. Right, now we are going to glue that there. Where's my art glitter glue? I flicked a pin in my last video, and I'm damned if I can find it again. Very frustrating. I'm using art glitter It's my go-to for gluing it's quite even. Whoops, trying to pick up the wrong bit. Ah, yes. I think it's just the my cutting of the circle might be a little off. Just give that a little trim around there. Like that. I can re-ink it. Right, that one there. And we'll have this one here. Now, let's see what I've got. I'm going to use that way, that way. I think this one will go over here, like this. Right. I've had another pot of soup on the stove. I did it yesterday, and I'll put it on again soon to give it another afternoon of cooking. I like to have my soups cooked over a couple of days. Right, I'm going to have this one here. Yes, I'll just move up again. Actually, I should use my brain and bring you that way. Right, let's get this one done. And this one will go here. And this one will go here, like that. Right. We were going to go out to the a Mustang rally in Mangakino, which is 30 kilometres away from us yesterday, but it was a terrible day, so we didn't go. Our cousins have a 65 Mustang, and they enter it into the rallies and the shows and things. So we were going to go over and catch up with them because they live down by the lake. Right, now this is our fold out, and it is going to go like this, and this is going to fold in here like that, and that is our fold out. That I'm going to just glue there, and trying to see if I can. Oh, that's a good idea. Let me find a clip. I'll just have a couple of those and clip my book back. Oh, that was not good on my arthritic thumb and finger. Right, that'll just hold that back so I can not damage my other pages. Thank you very much. Just stick you back in there. Okay, and we'll just put that there like that. Right. This is going to be a very chunky book when it's finished. Right, now I'm going to glue that down there. I'll just hold it for a minute till it catches. Right, now my sewing machine is very temperamental, so I bought some stitching stamps. I thought I'd have a go at those today. They just came yesterday. Right, which one do I like? We will try this one for a start. This is a long stamp block here. My cousin, the one who has the 65 rather, Mustang, used to work at a glass place. What am I doing? Why do I want my glue? I don't want my glue, I want my stamp pad. I think I'm going mad. Right, let's get that glue off, and I'll just give it a stamp down here just to try it out. Anyway, oh, that's cool. I like that. It had a bit of something on it that stopped it from stamping right over. That's very cool. And I think I'm going to go across the top here. And I hope that I'm going to get that. I'm going to lift it up and give it a push. Not too bad. It looks as good as what my sewing would. So, right, now we try this bit down here. I just go like that. Oh, not too bad. Right. I only want a little bit here. That wasn't very good, was it? Let's see if we can do that again. It just looks like I've gone over it several times. So that's okay. Now, turn this around this way so we can get it on our page like that. Cool. I'm not unhappy with that. Don't know how good it's going to be up here. I'm going to have to do it this way. Move it around. No, I don't think I'm going to be able to do that. Let's see if we can do it this way. Trust me to have the shaky old fingers. Not great, but hey, it's messy sewing, so I'm okay with it actually. Cool. And this is my fold out, and you can journal in here. I think we'll put our little ticket in here. On the corner like that. What else can we do? Is that too big? Yes, that's too big. I found a couple of butterflies to go in with it as well, just to give it a little something on the inside. We'll have that one there. And that one there. And that's your little secret journaling spot around the edge. Okay, there. There, 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 and there, there, and there. And that is my page. Whoops. Just losing my tag. Right, take that off there now and open it out. And that there is my eighth of the 7th. Do that. The 7th, 23. So that's page 1. And that didn't take too long, so I'm going to do page 2, which is the 9th, and it is going to be nature. Right, I'm back, and I've got my little dauber just to take that white off. I'm just going to do a bit of layering on my page. And that's not exactly straight down the bottom either. See if I can, no, of course I can't. Right, that's better. I'll glue that down there. Right, I'll just go, whoops, I'm just going to use glue stick for this. Yeah, so not a lot going on. Got 2 birthdays this upcoming week. My granddaughter's is on the 12th and she will be 18. And then her mum's, my daughter, my youngest daughter, hers will be on the on the 13th. Right, I think we'll have a little bit more of that. I'll just cut that edge there. Just get a little bit of the dauber and take our white off. And do that here. Nice. Can I lift that up? Actually, think I'll put that one underneath, like that. Did I glue that? Oops. Not very well if I did. Got a memory like a sieve these days. Alright, did I say what this one is going to be? This one is going to be nature. Alright, I'm back and I've got some, what is this one called? Broken china. Right. No, we want that there, don't want that that way, don't we? And we'll go there, I think that's what we will do. Right, we will go there, like that. Cool. And what else have we got here? Got some more here, which I will just see if I can just put a bit of shape to it. And we will cut off this end. Not exactly straight, but it doesn't matter. Yeah, we're going to put that there. Alright, cut that down this end. Right, not quite so. Not quite so. Right, we'll put that down there. Right, put that there. Whoops. And we want a little bit more. And give us another relatively straight edge. And that can go there like that. Cool. Whoops. Get out of the road. That there like that. I'll bring you down a bit then. It's not exactly straight. Really. I'm sure my eyes are getting worse. They've extended the time that they give me the shots in my eyes, and I used to go 5 weekly, and now it's put it up to 8. Now they've dropped it to 7, but I think I'll be dropping back. I think one eye is worse than the other, so they might alternate. Give me one shot one time and one the next, which I'd be okay with. I'd rather only get one eye done at a time. Right. That looks a little bit sky-like. Right, now, right, I'm back. I've got some stamps here. I just want to put something in the background. I'm just going to green them up. Hopefully this will be about what we want. Yeah, just a little bit of something in the background, just to you know, add to the page. I'm on the top, no matter if they don't come out properly, just to give us a little bit of something. There we are. See if I can get that down that side of it. Yep. Yeah, like that. Just gives my page a little bit of something else. Right, now I've got some flowers here. Oh, that's right, this one has got needs a little bit of fussy cutting, so I'll be back. Right, I'm back, and I've fussy cut out my little bits, and I'll just right. Card there, don't I? Right, I left a little bit on that one, but never mind. This one here can go here. Whoops, wrong way. This one here. Just trim off those thinny down bits. Right, now what else have we got here? Going to have some little mushrooms down in the foreground, I think. That will be cool. Find some more here. Just want them in the front, I think. Yep. We just start putting them down. Almost there. And this one. go over here. Yeah. And this one can go here. Whoops, wrong way. This one can go here. I'm liking that. And these ones here. Yep. This one here. Just underneath that one, I think. Just slip you down there like that. And then this one here. Cool. That there is not glued down properly. Right, now let's give this a little push off. That is not locked down. Right. Now I think we want, what else have I got here? Put a bird, that's right, I was going to put a bird on it. I'll be back when I finish fussy cutting this. Right, I'm back. Fussy cut my bird. We're just going to get him on a little angle like that. Like that. Looks like he's flying down to get the worms or something. Right, now I'm going to have as well. Alright, I'm back. I found a few butterflies. Oops, not that one. And not that one. And that one over here. Like that. And this little one over here. And this one up here. And this one just in here. Like that. Right, and we'll have our little nature. Might chop our nature down today. They don't need to be that big on the page all the time. Right, we will ink it in green. Yeah, I'll have it down here, I think. That will be good. Oh dear. That's what happens when you leave it open. Right. Nature. I'm happy with that. Right, now more butterfly. So save putting it away. I'm just going to stick it down as well. And just do a little bit of a black scribbly border. Oops, scribbling on the page underneath. Just as well I like scribbly marks, because that certainly is scribbly. And this is too much water. Get to see that. Trust me. There we are. Right. This brush is a bit too fine. Still got too much water on my brush. Okay, I just wipe it off because I left it sitting in the water. Just a little touch more water. Right, just give it a daub. Right, and this is page 9, so the 9th of the 7th, 23. So that is my 2 pages, and I'm really happy with them. And that one goes down in there like that. And this is my fold out page and my nature page. I'm going to just do one little thing before I finish. My bird and my flower here, like they're part of the same, so I'm just going to put a little whatever it is to show it up, and I'm quite happy with them. So thank you for being with me. Kia kaha, stay strong, and I'll catch you again soon.